I'm gonna be adding to this bundle that I got here. So if I'm gonna just slide this in here, this right here is just about 3 weeks between my two locations. So this is 3 weeks worth of money right here. I just slid my first bundle in there. This is about 38, maybe with the 5, that's about 38. Then I got this other bundle right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 38 plus 14, that's 52. 30 bucks plus 52, that's 82. Hold on. 82, 87, 80, 8. That's 108. All this right here, 128. This right here, this probably another like 150. So altogether, you know, just